How to post multiple pictures of an item. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can post multiple pictures of an item on Varagesale. So kindly watch till the end. Now to post multiple pictures of an item on Varagesale, if you are using the mobile app for Android or iOS, you can upload up to 4 additional photos directly when posting your item. Alright, it's very simple. Now, the first step after logging into your account is to move to the lower part of the screen where you can see 5 icons, namely home, notification, posts, messages, and then your profile icon. And the next step is to click on the post icon, as you can see on my screen. So after clicking on it, you'll be taken to the page where you see pictures. All right, you can decide to select any of the recent picture here. You can decide to click on take picture to take an actual picture, or you can just click on open gallery to open up the pictures in your gallery, and then you can now go ahead and select the pictures you want. Now by the time you go back here, you can see at the lower part of the screen which says select up to 5 photos. Okay, so you can decide to upload the photos that you need. Okay, you can just decide to start uploading the photos. Now the next step is to select 5 photos or multiple photos of that particular item that you would like to post. So for me, you can see I have multiple pictures here, so I can just select it this way. Then once I'm done, I can click on next, and then be redirected to the page where you can now write details about the products. And then once you're done, scroll down and click on post my item, and just like that, those photos would be posted. All right, this is very simple, very simple, and sure, you try it out today. Thanks for watching.